Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn about word arts. So word art is a one type of text which have various graphics effects, and we can create text with graphic effects using word art. So word art is a functionality of Microsoft Office package. So we can also see word arts in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel and in Microsoft PowerPoint also. So let's see how to create word art text in PowerPoint. So to create word art text in PowerPoint, first you have to go to the insert ribbon. After going to the insert ribbon, you will find one option called text. So in text, go to the A symbol which is word art. Now click on to that symbol and you will see various styles for word art. Now from these styles you can select any one of these styles and you can create that style's text. So I am selecting this black white style. Once you click on that black and white style, you have to enter your text to be displayed in word art. So I am entering my lunch break time, which is 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. So this text is created. Now this is not looking very much graphical rich, so we can set it various properties. So right click on that word art and select format text effects. Now from here you can set various properties related to word art. So first is the text fill. Now in which you can set your text fills to various images, gradient fill and selecting by various options. Suppose I want to select this line sunset, then I can select, or we can set also picture and texture to our text. So this is the texture and we can insert file picture to set word art text picture. So you can see picture is also set. Now text outline. You can also set your text outline. You can set outline style and width of the outline. Now let's go to the 3D format. You can set various 3D format style like bevel, no bevel. You can set 3D rotation. I want to rotate my text on Y axis. And I want to set my style to this. You can set various 3D rotation styles, whichever you like. You can set 3D format. You can set various material related option, bottom related option. So this is about setting various properties and creating word art text, by which you can display your text in very much graphical format and very much rich graphical format. Thank you.